Aloha, I'm Andy, and in this video I will install Windows 10, 64-bit version 1909, on HP dc7800 USDT PC from a bootable Windows USB drive. I made this video for those who's encountered some troubles installing Windows 10 from USB on HP Compaq dc7800 USDT. A few users complained about a long hanging time during Windows 10 64-bit installation. In my previous video I prepared this bootable Windows 1909 64-bit USB flash drive, and now I will install the Windows. Step 1. I insert the bootable USB flash drive in the USB port and I power on the PC. Step 2. I save the changes by pressing the F1 key. Step 3. I press repeatedly the F10 key to enter in the BIOS and restore the factory default settings. Step 4. I check in storage option to be enable the removable media boot option. Step 5. I check the boot order and I move the HDD drive to be the first bootable device. In this way I reduce the booting time. I move the USB device to be the second bootable drive and I disable the network controller from the booting list. Step 6. I save the changes by pressing the F10 key and the computer is restarting. Step 7. I press the F9 key repeatedly to enter in the fast boot menu. Step 8. I select the USB device and press the enter key, and after that I press the space key to boot from the USB flash drive. Step 9. The PC is booting from the USB flash drive, and from now on I will follow the instructions and I will select some options. The installation will go in real time to show how much time is taking to install Windows 10 64-bit on this PC. The installation time may slightly be different on another configuration. This PC configuration, CPU E8400 running at 3 GHz, 4GB DDR2 RAM and an 120GB Intel E5400 SSD. I will put links in the description for the important moments in the installation process. Step 10. I click on the next button. Step 11. I click on the Install Now button. Step 12. Here you can insert your product key, or you can click on the I don't have a product key and insert after you installed the Windows. Step 13. If you didn't enter your product key, here you have to choose the Windows version you want to install. If you already entered your product key, then you won't see this window. I choose the Windows 10 Pro version and I click on the next button. Step 14. Here I have to accept the Microsoft license terms and click on the next button. Step 15. In this window you can choose to install Windows and keep your files, settings and applications, or you make a clean installation. Personally I prefer the clean installation, so I will go with clean installation. Step 16. You need to make partitions, because this HDD has only 111 GB. I make only one partition. It is recommended to have two partitions, one for the operating system and programs and one to storage your files. The installation has begun. From now on I have to wait and follow the instructions. Step 17. Choose your region. I choose United States and I click on the Next button. Step 18. I choose the keyboard layout and I click on the Next button. Step 19. I don't want a second keyboard layout, so I click on the Skip button. Step 20. If you connect to the internet, then you have to make a Microsoft account. I will skip this step. Step 21. I click on Continue with Limited Setup. Step 22. I enter the username for the PC and I click on the Next button. Step 23. I don't store sensible data on this PC, so I don't need a password. I click on the Next button. Step 24. I don't want to send any data to Microsoft, so I click on the No button. Step 25. I don't need the digital assistant, so I click on the Decline button. Step 26. Because this is an old generation PC with very limited CPU processing power, I will disable all non-vital process.
Step 27. The installation is finished. From here I have to enable the internet connection and install the drivers and the programs. I hope this video will be helpful for those who's encountered some troubles installing Windows 10 from USB on HP Compaq dc7800 USDT. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.